Good afternoon, Namaskar. Myself, Brindra Thakur, Additional District and Session Judge, Tehsil Naragal, District Solan, HP. Today, I will discuss with you compensation scheme for women victims, survivors of sexual assault, other crime for the year 2018. The background of this act is the direction issued by the Honorable Supreme Court of India entitled Nipun Saxena versus Union of India, on the basis of which a committee was formed by National Legal Service Authority, and thereafter this act was prepared, drafted, and put up before the Honorable Supreme Court. Under this scheme or act, dependent includes husband, father, mother, grandparents, unmarried daughters, and minor children of victim as determined by State Legal Service Authority or District Legal Service Authority on the basis of report of subdivisional magistrate of the concerned area, station house officer, or investigating officer, or on the basis of material placed on record by the dependents by way of affidavit or on its own inquiry. Fund under this act means compensation funds constituted under the State Victim Compensation Scheme. Sexual assault victim means a female who has suffered mental or physical injury or both as a result of sexual offenses including rape cases and acid attack cases. Procedure for making application before State Legal Service Authority and District Legal Service Authority. While making an application before SLSA or DLSA, the first thing which is mandatory is reporting of FIRs, meaning thereby that SHO, SP shall mandatorily share soft hard copy of FIR immediately after its registration with State Legal Service Authority or District Legal Service Authority qua commission of offence covered under section of rapes and acid attacks. What are the factors to be considered while awarding compensation? While awarding compensation, the gravity of offence, severity of mental or physical harm or injury suffered by the victim, expenditure incurred on medical treatment for physical and mental health, including counseling of victim, funeral, traveling during investigation, inquiry or trial, loss of education opportunity as a consequence of the offense, loss of employment, relationship of victim to the offender, whether abuse was single isolated incidents or whether abuse took place over a period of time, whether victim became pregnant as a result of offense, whether she had to undergo medical termination of pregnancy, gave birth to a child, including rehabilitation needs of such child, whether the victim contracted sexually transmitted disease or HIV, any disability suffered by the victim, financial condition of victim against whom the offense has been committed so as to determine her need of rehabilitation or reintegration needs of the victim. In case of death, the age of deceased, her monthly income, number of dependents, life expectancy, future promotional, growth prospects, etc., or any other factor which LDLA or SLSA may consider just and sufficient. Procedure for grant of compensation. So far as compensation is concerned, it shall examine the case and verify the contents of claim with respect to the loss and injury and rehabilitation needs as a result of the crime, and may also call for any other relevant information necessary for deciding the claim, provided that in deserving cases and in all acid attack cases, at any time after commission of the offences, Secretary SLSA or Secretary DLSA may suo moto or after preliminary verification of facts proceed to grant interim relief as may be required in the circumstances of each case, provided that in cases of acid attack, an amount of 1 lakh shall be paid to the victim within 15 days of the matter being brought to the notice of DLSA. The order granting interim compensation shall be passed by DLSA within 7 days of the matter being brought to its notice, and SLSA shall pay the compensation within 8 days of passing of the order. Thereafter, an amount of 2 lakhs shall be paid to the victim as quick as possible within 2 months of the first payment. Method of distribution of compensation. The amount of compensation so awarded shall be distributed by the State Legal Service Authority by depositing the same in the bank in a joint or a single name of victim dependents. In case the victim does not have any bank account, the DLSA concerned would facilitate opening of bank account in the name of victim, and in case the victim is minor along with guardians, or in case minor is a child care institution, the bank account shall be opened with the superintendent of the institution as guardian. However, in case the victim is a foreign national or a refugee, the compensation can be dispersed by way of cash cards. Further, interim amount shall be dispersed in full, whereas so far as final compensation amount is concerned, 75% of the same shall be put in a fixed deposit for minimum period of 3 years, and the remaining 25% shall be available for utilization and initial expenses by the victim dependents as the case may be. Minor victim. It is the minor victims needs immediate relief or interim compensation shall be dispersed to the bank account of a child opened under the guardianship of superintendent child care institution where the child is lodged, or in absence thereof DDU SDU. Limitation. So far as limitation to file the claim is concerned, in this regard, I would like to inform you that under the scheme, no claim made by the victim or her dependents or dependents under subsection 4 of section 357A of the CRPC shall be entertained after the period of 3 years from the date of occurrence of the offense or conclusion of the trial. However, in deserving cases, on an application made in this regard for reason to be recorded, the delay beyond 3 years can be condoned by SLSA, DLSA. Lastly, I would like to inform you all that in case the victim or her dependents are not satisfied with the quantum of compensation awarded by the Secretary DLSA, they can file an appeal within 13 days from the date of receipt of order before the chairperson DLS, provided that delay in filing appeal may be condoned by the appellate authority for reason to be recorded in deserving cases on an application made in this regard. Thank you.